Hi, my name is Vijaysekhar Chellaboina. I am a professor of mechanical engineering and associate dean of engineering here. I teach courses spanning mathematics, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. Yes, I precisely remember the defining moment when I decided what my topic of future research is going to be. This was in a classroom that was being conducted in Florida Institute of Technology. The professor was giving lecture on control systems, and it's full of mathematics, and I loved mathematics. I mean, throughout my life, I mean, though I'm a mechanical engineer, even during my B.Tech, I did my project in mechanical engineering, but it's quite mathematical. So this particular subject, control systems, is as applied as it can be, but it is also heavily mathematical. So it attracted me at that moment to basically go for control systems. The way I look at engineering is basically a problem-solving career, right? That's it. I mean, you don't need to really justify anymore. I mean, there's no limit to basically solving problems. And then the background that one gets in engineering, of course, is primarily quantitative. Unlike every other subject that we are familiar with, medicine or biology or whatever, engineering happens to be one of the most quantitative. And of course, there are places where people work with hands-on. So you can use the quantitative knowledge and the physics knowledge to basically create many interesting things. So the interesting topics today would be basically having sufficient knowledge in subjects like artificial intelligence and machine learning, because they are applicable everywhere, not just for computer science or anything. So robotics, for example, if they have to complete very difficult tasks, you provide some intelligence. I mean, intelligence is a very difficult word to describe, but let's understand that, okay, it's something to do with things doing on its own. We have to be able to understand how to equip this robot to make do those tasks without human intervention. So I think all students, whether mechanical engineering or otherwise, should pay attention to these new developments in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Well, SRM University is trying very hard to make a best university for you to come and get your education. I mean, we have one of the best faculty possible, and we are trying to recruit even better faculty. The curriculum is changing every day. I mean, so that it becomes equipped with basically preparing students for the new and modern world. The students, of course, go through these entrances examinations, so they are, in fact, well above the average that we get otherwise in Indian context. And then finally the infrastructure. I mean, you should come here and see the infrastructure and you will be blown away. I mean, the buildings and the lab equipment that we have is state of the art.